guys, good afternoon, good evening actually. The time right now is actually 6 p.m. and today is 19th May. I haven't vlogged from past 2 days because it was weirdly hectic. So tomorrow we are going to be going to the farmhouse. So today we are going to be packing our clothes, and also I ordered myself some brownies which are like so yum. This is like my favorite place ever. And yeah, we have some works to do today before going tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. First eat some brownie and go for packing. Hi guys, I was just prepping to pack for things tomorrow, and look what I found. I found my Ajio packet finally. If you don't know the relevance, so basically I did a video where I bought the least priced items on Ajio, but I didn't end up finding a few. But now I just found a packet. I think there are some things inside, so let me just quickly open it and show it to you. Yeah, my hall is a mess because I'm packing for a video so that I can do it to my farmers. So let me just quickly open it and show it to you guys. So guys, here we have, this is the kurti which I got for 150 rupees. I'm pretty sure it is priced at 999 rupees, but I got it for 150 rupees. And here's Louis, came to investigate us, but he's ignoring me because of the camera. So this is the kurti and this is how it looks like. I'll probably take it to farmhouse and wear it on one of the days and show you neatly. And these are the chappal which I ordered. I don't remember the price. So the kurti was for 150 rupees and the chappal were for 390 rupees. They're pretty cute actually. I won't say they're of the best quality, and yeah, my size is 40. I have very big feet, but yeah, this is how they look like. And I can't talk. I'm planning the things for the videos in my farmhouse, and just going is accompanying me. So yeah, this is what we are doing. We are packing. I'll see you once I've packed everything and show you what all I did. Louis, those are my dresses, Louis. Do you realize that? Look at this guy. No boundaries whatsoever. Louis, what are you doing? Okay, thanks. Also, amidst all the chaos, I ordered myself some momos. I ordered them from this place called Wow Momos. I have never really tried them out. I don't know what is what, but I ordered one, if you can see, I ordered one fried chicken momo, and I also wanted to try chocolate momo because it sounded so different. And then I ordered fried chicken cheese momos. I know a lot of people may think that momos are meant to be eaten when they are steamed and all, but you know, I love fried momos. Nothing can cross fried. I love momos from this place called Zomos, but it was not open, so I had to adjust with this one. So yeah, again, I'll just quickly open everything up and I'll show you. So guys, this is how the momos look like from the inside. I don't know, they haven't really mentioned what momo is this. Maybe I'll get to know once I tasted them. So, and look at the chocolate momo. It is like so different. I don't know. Oh, there's brownie or something inside. Interesting. So yeah, I don't know what is what. So guys, I'm almost done with packing. Yeah, almost. There are still some things to pack. So I have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, and here are my shoes. So let's consider them as bag 5. This is Louis' bag. So yeah, I have an army of bags for, I don't know, we haven't even decided for how many days we are planning to go. But yeah, this bag basically has all the stuff that is required for one of the YouTube video which I'm planning to film. This bag consists of all of my reels related stuff because I also wanted to film reels there. And this bag, this consists of my night dresses and, you know, day-to-day stuff. And this bag consists of all of my makeup stuff, makeup skincare stuff. And here are my shoes which are required for the YouTube video. So yeah, I still got to pack the ring light and, you know, my diaries and other stuff like that. So yeah, and yeah, I'm sleeping right now. See you tomorrow. Bye. We are going to be leaving earlier, or at least that is what we have planned. Hi guys, good morning. So it's 20th May today. So right now we are leaving to the farmers. I'll quickly show how many bags I have. I have to quickly go and keep everything down. So let me show it to you. These are all of my things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this 8. So yeah, I'm carrying all of this right now. There are more there. Louis threw them. So yeah, bye. It's getting. Oh, look at these cute creatures. And yeah, I have to talk to you guys about something. Look at them. And here is a black one. I think This black one is my favorite. So yeah, here we have the baby rabbits and hi. Pretty sunny, but it rained a little bit ago, I think. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is how the weather is. It's super sunny right now, and yeah, I like sunny weathers. With Louis. And also guys, this place right here, which is on the lawn, and so this was supposed to be like a little storage place right adjacent to this bench. So we are converting this place into like a mini gym. We just did the flooring and stuff, but you know, we have to get the fake grass and everything. So this is like a little farmhouse update which I wanted to give you, and there is more. I'll just show you in a bit. So there are gonna be some equipment coming here. I know it is like a little small, but you know, it is just like a small home gym. So yeah, that is what is going to be happening here. And also if you have seen my farmhouse door, like this place where we put the showers in, we added a little storage place here so that we can put whatever things we don't have. It is pretty big, actually. It is this much. You can basically put a sofa, a TV, and make it a living room. But yeah, we added an extra storage so that we can put everything. This thing just feels like a wall, you know. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And I think they're going to shift showers to the right a little bit. So guys, a lot of cleaning is going on. As you can see, the floor is very dusty and everything. So yeah, everything has to be cleaned up. So we'll probably spend the entire day cleaning, like not literally us, but we have to make people clean it, right? So yeah, everything is like super dusty. So yeah, the view, though I missed it. It's been, I don't know, a few days, but how pretty. Here very cool breeze comes, you know, like. So yeah, and yeah, everything has to be cleaned, you know. They just put all the paper, all the bed sheets, so that nothing falls on them, because all of these were polished. The rooms were painted. If you can see, there's a newspaper there, and you know, all of these curtains were removed, so everything has to be fixed. So there are still a few things to be done. So yeah, if you can see, everything is covered because the dust is everywhere literally. And yeah, still a little work is going on, I think. So everything, all of this will be removed and the work will be done by tomorrow or day after maximum. So yeah, that is what is the plan right now. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually 1 p.m. I took my books and I'm going to be sitting there on my swing. And you know, if you can hear properly, birds are chirping and it is so nice to hear them. I'm not even sure if you're able to hear me properly because voice gets reduced whenever I'm using my back camera. So yeah, anyways, the weather is like very sunny and I'm going to be sitting here and I'm going to be reading my book and also editing my video, which I have to upload today. I haven't uploaded a video for the past 4 days. So yeah, that is what we are going to be doing right now. I'll see you in a bit. Feels so good. Hi guys, so I'm makeupless, like literally I don't even have like a lipstick on. I have an exam to attend right now. So yeah, I'll quickly write my exam and be back. Just done with the exams and now we are watching some random 4K videos on YouTube, which are very thrilling for some reason, and I'm actually enjoying them, if you can hear me. Good morning guys. So I just woke up. The time right now is actually around 8 a.m. 8:30 actually, to be honest. So yeah, this is all the diesel or something. I think I wanted to just show you something. I don't know if my phone will able to capture it. I wish I had like a DSLR or something, but I'll try. Can you see those round things? And a bird just flew in, right? There are a bunch of birds who made those nests on the tree. And how unrealistic is that? Can you see all the birds are just flying in and they're chirping all morning? It feels so pleasant to see all these birds. Like, look at their nests. They made it with their mouth. Those little tiny birds made it with their mouth. How unrealistic is that? And me and my little bird are chilling here. This place feels so good today. Like, there are so many birds around. And so yeah, we are just chilling here. Look at this guy. I have no idea whatsoever, like what is he even trying to do, but yeah, this is how we found him when we came home. No, what is it trying to do? Everything has to be cleaned up. That is why this glass is not very nice, and also since the works were going on, we didn't fill the water. But I have no idea what this guy is even trying to do. He's doing all sort of experiments here. Louis? Louis? Louis, come up. Louis, come up. It's like I'm sitting on Louis. See, this is the door. We are going to be going in. Where is Louis? Where is Louis? Louis is here, under you. Like, look. He looks like he's like a, you know, some display piece or something here. He looks so unreal actually. He looks like a soft toy in there. Louis? He's doing all sorts of weird things. No, you cannot go out. You have to stay inside. You cannot go. How pretty is he? Oh my god. Like, look. I cleaned them like few minutes ago and look at this. What is this, Louis? Oh, bad boy. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually around 2 p.m. I can say, and I got ready because I'm filming a YouTube video. And this dress, if you remember that video wherein I almost cry saying that no clothes fit me, this was one of them, and it fits me so perfectly. I'm so happy. I think I've lost some weight or something. Yes, I'm so happy that this dress fits me so well right now. It is also even kind of loose. Weirdly, that day didn't even fit me, and I'm so happy and proud of myself for being able to do that. Anyways, so yeah, I'm filming a video for my YouTube channel. It is actually my birthday outfits. Probably that video will be up before this. So yeah, that is what I'm doing, and I'm so happy with this. So in case if you're watching this vlog and if you want to know where I got this from, you have to actually head to my other video which I'll place down so you can check it out. Free publicity again. So yeah, I'll quickly go. Outfit 1 done. I'll quickly go change my outfit and be back. Outfit 2 done, and yeah, Louis is here. Outfit 3 done. Like, this has to be one of my favorite pieces from the wardrobe. Like, look at the ruffles. I'm loving it so much. Outfit 4 done. Hi guys, yeah, I look weird. So I'm finally done filming. I know my makeup is a little loud, but it's okay. I like it. Let's go change. So ignore the mess in the background. I'm just done filming. So yeah. And this is the kurti which I got from Ajio, but I didn't show you on that day, right? Like, I didn't find it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It is like so super comfortable and loose and nice. Quickly go have lunch and then be back. Bye. And be back and clean this mess. So this is my lunch. We have some rice and bitter gourd curry. I love it so much, and some water. And yeah, we have some unhealthy snacks which I love, and we are still binging that. We have some work to do later. So yeah, now to let's enjoy. My mouth is watering literally. So it's the other day though, but that is all for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next vlog. Bye. Enjoy the nature. Okay, bye.